Welcome to Hope's Homemade Kitchen. Today we're making another delicious cottage cheese protein-filled recipe, jalapeno cottage cheese pull-apart bread. Now this recipe is made with blended cottage cheese and packs 21 grams of protein per serving. It's a very easy to make pull-apart bread filled with cheese and baked to a golden perfection. So let's get started and I'll show you the ingredients. Now I want to start off by chopping up some jalapeños. Now this is where you can make it as hot or as mild as you'd like. I'm going to seed some jalapeños, chop some up, and then reserve some sliced jalapeños for the topping. Next, I'm going to blend 2 cups of cottage cheese in the food processor. You can use a blender or a food processor. Now this just makes it a little smoother. If you don't want to blend yours, it'll be fine. I'm just going to pulse this until it's well blended. Now you want to put your cottage cheese in a large bowl. Next you want to add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Go ahead and add your minced jalapeños to that and give it a good stir. I'm going to stir that until it's pretty well combined. Then you want to lightly flour your work surface and turn that right out onto the work surface, and we're going to work it into a ball. Now if your dough is too sticky, you can add a little bit more flour. You just want to knead it until it's smooth, but not too sticky. Then I want to divide my dough into 4 equal pieces. You want each of those little logs to be about 6 inches long. Then you want to cut each of these logs into 8 pieces. So in total, we're going to have 32 pieces. Now they don't have to be all the same size, but these are the little balls that you're going to stuff with cheese. I'm going to take a piece of cheese and hide it in each little dough ball. It helps to have a little flour there in case your dough is sticky. Now I'm using Colby Jack cube cheese. You can do cheddar cheese. You can actually do any kind of cheese you like. Jalapeno cheddar is a popular combination. I didn't happen to have any cheddar chunks, but I had a whole bag of these Colby Jack ones, so that's what I'm using. Now you want 32 of these little cheese cubes, and then you want a few extra. Now if you didn't have the cheese chunks and you just had shredded cheese, I think it'd be delicious just to mix in the shredded cheese with your dough, still form the balls, but that would work as well. So you see some of them are bigger than others, and that's perfectly okay. Next I'm going to melt 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter in the microwave. Now if you don't have unsalted, salted butter will be just fine. You could adjust your salt in the other parts of the recipe. Okay, in a medium bowl I'm going to add my melted butter. Now I'm going to dunk each of the balls into the butter and put it right into the pan. This is kind of like a monkey bread, a pull-apart. It's just a different kind of savory pull-apart bread. And try to even those out as best you can. They're going to puff up and grow together. So now you want to take your leftover cheese that you have and just kind of tuck it in. And then top it with those sliced, thinly sliced jalapeños. If I have any butter left, I'm just gonna drizzle it on top. Now this is a little bit unusual. I'm gonna cover it with foil and bake it at 375 for the first 30 minutes. And then we're gonna uncover it and let it finish baking for an additional 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. I'm gonna take the foil off. Ooh, that is looking so good. I'm gonna put it back in for another 30 minutes or until it gets golden brown. I'm just taking the internal temperature just to make sure that the bread is done. 208 degrees. You want the internal temperature to be around 200 so that it's fully cooked all the way through. We're going to let this rest in the pan for about 10 minutes, then we'll remove it and give it a taste test. It's cooled in the pan now for 10 minutes, so I'm going to lift it out. Look how brown and crispy it looks. Now, this is the kind of bread that you can use as an appetizer or with dinner, and it's best served hot. Now let's give this bread a taste test. All right, I'm taking one of these end crunchy pieces here, putting a little bit of Mike's hot honey. Doesn't that look delicious? This gives it a nice, you can put regular honey but this gives it kind of an amped up, nice spicy flavor. Now let's see how it is. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so good. Oh boy. I'm afraid if you start eating this, you may not be able to stop. Oh wow. Crispy golden brown crust, cheesy on the inside, just enough spiciness with those jalapeños. This is fantastic. And if I divide this into 6 servings for this whole loaf, it's around 21 grams of protein per serving. It's a delicious appetizer or a side bread to any meal. Thank you so much for joining me today as we made cheesy jalapeno cottage cheese pull-apart bread. We'll see you next time.